Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Barry Analytics. In this tutorial, we'll be going through a step-by-step guide on the sales report, sales difference report, and order report of your Barry Analytics reporting app. To start off the video, we'll be looking at the sales report. This report takes your SKUs and puts them in a report to show you which ones are performing well, which ones are underperforming, and which ones are not selling at all. Like the reports in the other videos, you can filter these through date range, process date, receive date, and brand. The new filter in this report is SKU and title search. You are able to search for a product by its SKU or its title. If at any point you need to download the data, you can do so by simply clicking on the export button. The next report is the sales difference report. With this report, you are able to view the differences in sales between two different date ranges for all the SKUs per marketplace. You are able to choose both date ranges that you wish to compare, and you can go further if you want by choosing a certain brand or certain SKU or title. The results will show you either a 0, a value with a green color, or a value with a red color. If it is a 0, then it means that you have made the same as what you made in the other date range. If it is green, then it means you have made more, and red means you have made less than the other date range. This helps you to see overperforming and underperforming products, so you can decide what you want to do with them. Just like the sales report, you are able to download the data by clicking on export to export the data. The final report is the order report. In this report, you can see all the orders for the specified date range, and you can see it broken down. You can see the order ID, customer name, margin in pounds, margin percentage, and many other details. The main purpose of this report is to define the margin. You can select which columns you would like to see or hide. There's an option for detailed report where you can select the order ID and see exactly what was bought. This report essentially lets you see everything broken down to the bones, so that you know exactly what is happening to each order and where the money is going. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below or give us an email, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.